tell us a little bit about Donaldson Torrent and what you have going on this year.
Sure. Donaldson Torrent is a provider of dust, fume, mist collection equipment, filters, and replacement parts. We have options for our customers that help increase their filtration efficiency, lower their maintenance costs, lower their space requirements, and lower their overall operational costs.
Well, tell us what you have going on at the booth, what products you're featuring.
Great question. We are featuring our PowerCore technology here at GEAPS. And this is an innovative technology that's new to the market. It takes our ultra-web nanofiber media with our filtration configuration expertise and makes something that is revolutionary in the industrial filtration market. Testing has shown that emissions can be reduced by as much as 78% when using our proprietary ultra-web nanofiber media. We found that our customers using this media have an easier job meeting the ever-increasing EPA and OSHA regulations.
How is air brought into the filter?
Great question, Jackie. Well, this is one of our filters, but first of all, just to give you a general idea, air goes into the dirty air inlet on a dust collector, passes through filtration media where the dirt is deposited, and then comes out the clean side. On our PowerCore technology, you'll notice that one side, half of our flutes are sealed, and then we flip over it on the opposite side, the other half of our flutes are sealed. When we filter air, the air comes in the bottom through the dirty side of the filter. It goes in through an open flute. At the opposite side, that flute is sealed, so the air has to pass through the media and deposits its dirt on the ultra-web layer, and then passes out on the clean side through an open flute, and then can go out the clean air side of the dust collector.
Once the filter has been dirtied with the dust, how do you clean it?
When the filter gets full of air, the restriction rises on the dust collector, and we have a delta P controller that senses that increased restriction, and it'll send a pulse of compressed air down through the flutes and eject the dust out into the collection bin.
Is there a particular piece of equipment that this filter is best suited for?
Yes, this technology is being used on our Torrent PowerCore CP series dust collectors. The dust collector comes in two different styles, a CPC, which includes a hopper, or a CPV, which does not. And I'm going to focus on the CPV style today. Our CP style dust collector has been used on a variety of dust applications, such as grain, wood, food, cement, and many more. The small size of the CPV collector also makes it great for point-of-use applications, such as bin venting, belt conveyor drop points, truck and train dumps, blenders, mixers, and other types of applications. Using a CPV collector will save you time and money. CPV collectors are great for tight space installations and can save you up to 50 to 70% on installation costs. Also, because of the size, they're great for keeping the product in the process stream, and they can eliminate long runs of ductwork. Eliminating these long runs of ductwork are helpful because they reduce airflow volume, reduce your horsepower requirements, and can reduce your overall operational costs.
Tell me about the features that the end user would find beneficial.
Sure, one of the great features on this collector is it's fast and easy to change out the filters. Two quick release handles give us access to the filters on the clean side of the collector. Changing out filters on the clean side is much easier for maintenance. Changing filters on a dirty side can be very messy and might require confined space, permits, or practices.
What happens once you have the filter door open?
Then we just loosen up the hardware that's retained, and we remove the filter retainer, and we have easy access to the filter. At that point, you can pull the filter out, one person, and put a new filter in. The filters themselves are only 7 inches high, so it makes it very easy for a single person to do this maintenance job. The other nice thing about the unique design of the filters is they prevent dust bridging between filter packs, which is a common problem you see in traditional dust collectors.
What benefits would there be to having a smaller filter?
One PowerCore filter can take the airflow of up to 6 8-foot-long traditional filter bags, and that means a smaller overall collector for your installation. This will save on either factory floor space or bin vent consumption. Our CPV collector is up to 70% shorter than a traditional bin vent filter, which is a great space savings for a tight installation. Our CPC collector is up to 50% smaller than a traditional bag filter. Again, a great space savings.
As you're meeting attendees, what messages are you hoping that they walk away with?
Well, I would encourage everybody to take a look at our Donaldson website or to contact a Donaldson Torrent sales representative to find out more about the Torrent PowerCore CP Series dust collector. Donaldson Torrent has exactly what you need for source or centralized dust collection to reduce your total cost of ownership.
Excellent. Thanks, Karen, and have a great rest of your show.
Thanks, Jackie.